What's good, YouTube? It's Jake 30. How y'all can see by that title, How to Change Your Life. If you're looking for a change in your life, just watch to the end of the video and this will change your life. But you have to apply these tips to change your life. This is what changed mine. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I also post bangers probably like twice a week. I'm finna give y'all everything what changed my life. This is not coming from nobody's experiences but mine. Number one is change your diet. If you're a person that's living in depression and you have so much negative thoughts, it's because what you're feeding into your vibration. Always remember, everything is vibration. Before they killed this animal was always depressed, in fear, scared for his life, with anxiety. And you are feeding this into your body, so what you think you gonna do? Have the same fucked up vibrations as the animal, because that's what you consume in your body. I always used to be depressed. I always had a lot of anxiety. I always was fearing everywhere. I was just living at the lowest version of myself. It's because you keep on eating dead animal. Whether you accept it or not, the animals that they put in the grocery store is not healthy. Before they killed that animal, it had so much fucked up vibrations to it. I want you to understand this. Everything you put in your body is how you gonna feel. Do you randomly get sad? Do you randomly have a low vibration? You feel like you wanna break shit or you feel like you wanna suicide? That's because what you putting in your body. If you want to be happy and filled with so much high vibration, start putting food in your body that will higher your vibration, such as fruits and plant-based. Let me put you hip on something. Your thoughts and your vibration creates your reality. If you're literally living your life in depressed, your life going to be more depressed because how your vibration is. If you're thinking negatively, that's going to manifest into your reality. So when you eat those fucked up ass animals, you are creating your reality to be more fucked up, such as depression, anxiety, all those fucked up ass emotions you be having on a day-to-day basis because what you feed into your body. When you're eating dead animals, you are literally vibrating at the lowest version of yourself, and that's the root chakra. The highest version of yourself is at the crown chakra. When you're eating dead animals, this is causing you to vibrate at the root chakra. You're always scared, you have a lot of depression, you have a lot of anxiety, not finding peace in your life. If you want to have a healthy vibration, a healthy mindset, change your diet. That's what helped me to be so happy on a day-to-day basis and have positive thinking. Number two that changed my life is meditation. If you're a person that can't find peace into your life and can't control your thoughts, this is why you should meditate, because when you're meditating, you are breathing in and out, and that's helping you to clear your thoughts. Meditation has changed my life. Every day I meditate for at least 5 minutes a day. All you need is 5 minutes of free time to meditate and control your emotions and your thoughts. If you're a person that deals with a lot of depression and anxiety, it's really coming from your thoughts. Your thoughts create your feelings and your feelings create your reality. So if you're sad about something, you have anxiety about something, all you need to do is meditate, breathe in and out, and let that shit flow. Let me just give y'all a little quick story time. So this is back at my old house. Now I was living life so happy. I always had positive thoughts. I always had a healthy vibration. Out of nowhere, my brother ran into the house talking about somebody pointing a gun at him. Now hearing that shit had me scared. That shit put me through a lot of anxiety. I was overthinking about it. I was creating my vibration to be more negative. There's so much shit going on. And at the time, I was really focused on myself. So what I did to let go of that vibration and that thought is meditation. All I did was breathe in and out for 5 minutes. If you're a person that don't know how to meditate, I made a video on how to meditate. You just gotta keep scrolling down my page. Meditation really changed my life for the better. You can overcome demons by meditating. You can overcome depression by meditating. You can overcome anxiety by meditating. Meditation will help you get a better understanding of your personal life. If you're a person that masturbates 24/7, you're addicted to vapes, you're addicted to weed, you can use meditation to clear your addictions. Ever since I heard about meditation, it has changed my life, and you should try it too. I don't care how hood you are, how gangster you are. Everybody needs to meditate. Number three, you are who you hang around. If you're trying to change your life around, you shouldn't hang around negative friends. When I had my spiritual awakening and I was on my spiritual journey, I cut off all friends to focus on myself. You have to understand, bro. You can't get attached to nobody, and you can't get attached to material things because it's temporary. You didn't come out the womb with your friends. You didn't come out the womb with this vape. You didn't come out the womb with this weed. You didn't come out the womb with all these material things. You came out the womb with your soul, so why not focus on yourself? Reason why you can't change is because you're around friends that's doing what you addicted to. So if you're addicted to weed, vaping, You should want to stay away from your friends because your subconscious mind is always recording. It's going to pick up on those things. Your subconscious mind is always recording. Why you think when you around a whole lot of people that vape and now you start vaping more? Why you think you want to be a gangster? Because you watch gangsters all day. You watch these hood rappers and now you want to be a hood nigga. Females, the reason why you want a hood nigga because you see hood shit on a day-to-day basis. If you want to change your life, change what you watch and change who the people you hang around with. Because your subconscious mind is always recording. If you hang around low vibrations 24/7, what you think you gonna become? A low vibrational ass person. If you hang around high vibrations 24/7, what you think you gonna become? A high vibrational person. When I say you are who you hang around with, understand that into your soul. Don't understand that, understand that. This is what changed my life. I just stopped hanging around negative people. And I start doing better for myself and focusing on myself. But this is the end of the video. I got a real deep talk with y'all though. Bro, change your life, bro. It's 2023, bro. You still addicted to the things you was addicted to last year, my nigga. If you addicted to vaping, bro, today is the day. Right now is right now, my nigga. Change that shit, bro. Go look in the mirror right now and tell yourself, I want to change, bro. Like, tell yourself I want to change. And apply this, everything that I said, apply this to your life, bro. You can actually change yourself. Everything you addicted to, your past traumas, bro, you can actually help and heal yourself, bro. You can heal yourself. I want you to change your life and get a better understanding of life. I know how I feel to be in depression. I know how I feel to have a lot of anxiety. It's fucked up. Nobody want to live like that. But if you're a person that's comfortable with it, you're never going to change yourself. You keep doing what you've been doing, you're going to keep getting what you've been getting. / Steve Harvey. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.